Okay, so I know it's a simile, so I want to talk about that. And if I look at my bottom one, come to break the frozen lake in me, I know that that's a metaphor, so I want to think about that. So I've got two contrasts. The skin cracks like a pod. So the skin could represent people, or the skin could represent the earth. So that kind of has like a metaphoric feel to it as well. Come to break the frozen lake in me. Well, a person doesn't have a lake in them, so that's also talking about people and the earth. So there's a connection there. Come to break the frozen lake in me. So this one is a positive change. A positive change that it's an image that is about the hurricane makes her feel better. But this one, the skin cracks like a pod, is a negative, I think, although the idea of a pod opening is that it reveals its fruit, its peas. So that would seem positive because it's allowing us to get to something that we want. So this one is confusing because it might be positive and it might be negative, because the word cracks seems quite negative. And this one we've got the word break, and that seems quite negative. So actually these are quite good to compare, because I've got talk about cracks and breaks, so there's this kind of sort of violent language, that it's as though it's something quite dramatic that's happening to the people or to the place. But this one has a positive ending, maybe this one does, but the skin cracks like a pod, and the next line is there never is enough water, so that kind of emphasises the idea about negative, that the skin cracking is negative. So I definitely would want to talk about, I could talk about those two ideas together.